Hello and welcome to the Binary Institute, the premier binary options trading education resource for first-time traders. Here at the Binary Institute, we provide you with all of the necessary tools to begin trading binary options on your own. We offer simple, easy to understand lessons that will give you a deeper understanding of retail trading and how to profit from binary options markets. We've taken our years of experience as traders and analysts to develop this video series specifically for traders like yourselves, with lessons that will teach you the specific information that you need to know in order to begin trading independently. Over the 10 lessons in our series, we will teach you the basics of the history of trading with a specific emphasis on binary options trading. We'll present you the major differences between traditional retail trading and binary options trading. We'll also go over the basics of market analysis and trading times, offering you an understanding of how we study price movement in the market. Later in the series, we'll dive into practical lessons showing you how to use a charting system to analyze the market yourself. We'll teach you how to read a Japanese candlestick chart and also how to use an economic calendar. Our course offers video series specifically teaching you how to use technical indicators such as the RSI, Bollinger Bands, and the support and resistance theory. Our series will conclude with a lesson on risk and money management to give you a well-rounded understanding of trading in capital markets. Our lessons are tailored to give you all of the information you need to know in 10 to 12-minute videos so that you can start trading as soon as possible. We look forward to working with you. Best of luck.